Well, we're getting there. I got the steps built. Umbrella. It's friggin' hot there. That's where it's coming down the hill. 6x6 posts and 2x8s. And then we can just get off. That deck's gonna be built longer and then connect down the stairs to this lower part. And that's our view. We have the fire pit right here. Gravel, chairs. And away we go. There's Hunter resting in the shade. My bird house. Dog house. Yeah. Finishing the whole outside of the house there. New siding, everything, windows. But that's what it's going to look like from here. I think it'll be pretty good. And then we got gravel to put in there. There's Barb. Hard worker. Yeah, we're gonna get her. But that's our view.
Finished sanding.
It's beauty. Now we're just gonna sand, put some fabric down, and away we go. Talk to you later. Show you more. Like and subscribe, guys.